Hello, I'm Hiroyuki Dohi, who is in charge of planning and engineering from Tohoku Pioneer Corporation. Please let me introduce the installation information that special edition speakers have. We made TSB170C and TSJ170C be plug and play package. Let's check plug and play accessories together. Many required accessories fully covered when customers prepare it during installation. All customers have to do is to prepare tools such as driver, remover, and so on. Especially, there are three key solutions as important accessories: multi-fit adapter, multi-fit connector, and tweeter installation parts. At first, multi-fit adapter. This can be cut as needed for flexible installation in various types of car without any modifications. It is responsive for many car makers' vehicles: Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Inocom, Kia, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Suzuki, Tata, Toyota, Volkswagen. Once you scan the QR code of package by your smartphone, etc., you can simultaneously check the responded car list and how to install in detail. In addition, this multi-fit adapter has special rib shape which uses topology analysis. High rigidity yet hard to deform. It's effective for damping the unnecessary vibration, and it can support accurate acoustic reproduction. Secondly, multi-fit connector. This can be easily connected with original equipment connector and dramatically simplify and speed up installation. It is responsive for Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Nissan, Suzuki, and Toyota cars. Thirdly, tweeter installation parts. Furthermore, we also provide these parts that you can install special edition tweeter into original equipment position such as triangle corner and in dashboard. It is responsive for Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Suzuki, and Toyota cars. Of course, we also added the flexible stand, so on-dash installation is possible for every car. As I told you at multi-fit adapter explanation, the information of this tweeter installation is also published on the QR code of package. Although the QR code is shown on package, please check and scan the QR code here if you want before you will visit nearby shop. At last, we are planning to publish car speaker fit guide website all over the world. Through this website, Tohoku Pioneer is providing useful information in order to enjoy in-car audio life and feel a value of system upgrade such speaker, subwoofer, and amplifier. You can check detailed information from couple of selections by car and by speaker model. You can also check our system recommendation. Please consider the best system that suits your preference while having fun. Currently, we have only fit guide information on this website as of now. In the future, we will deliver more information such as installation video, so on. Thank you very much for listening to my explanation. Stay tuned for our activity. Bye.